NVIDIA doesn't sell AI. It sells the picks and shovels for the AI gold rush. And that makes it one of the most powerful companies in the world. When people think of NVIDIA, they think of graphics cards, gaming, visuals. But that's not the real story anymore. Today, NVIDIA sits at the center of artificial intelligence. Not because it owns the best apps, but because it owns the infrastructure. AI models don't run on ideas. They run on computation. And computation runs on GPUs. NVIDIA's chips power data centers, research labs, and cloud platforms across the world. If you train a serious AI model, you almost certainly use NVIDIA. That's leverage. But hardware alone isn't the advantage. The real moat is software. NVIDIA built CUDA, a platform that developers depend on to run high-performance computing workloads. Once teams build on CUDA, switching becomes painful. Not just expensive. Painful. This creates lock-in at the developer level. And developers shape the future. Cloud companies depend on NVIDIA. Startups depend on NVIDIA. Even competitors depend on NVIDIA. That gives NVIDIA pricing power. When demand explodes, NVIDIA doesn't compete on price. It sets it. This isn't hype. It's positioning. NVIDIA doesn't need to predict which AI company will win. It profits no matter who does. That's the picks and shovels strategy. As AI adoption accelerates, compute becomes the bottleneck. And NVIDIA controls the bottleneck. The result? Extraordinary margins. Unmatched demand. Strategic leverage. NVIDIA isn't an AI company. It's the foundation AI is built on. That's the strategy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time on the Strategy Layer.